Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. This is my ME305 project, and it's a gift for a dog. An automatic dog filter. Here are some of the components. We have the screen, we have the remote sensor. We got a light sensor here that turns on an LED in there to see the amount of food. We've got our motor, we got a relay that has the Arduino turn on the motor at different pulses for a certain amount of time at a low speed. We have the sensor again and all the other wiring. And now I'll show you how it works. I'll plug it in and demonstrate the food coming out. So on the 22nd, it will release and on the 40, now if I use the remote, it will also release. And on the 40 again, it will release. Right now, that is an automatic dog filter. There we have the LED light on. And when the lights are off, it turns on even brighter. Let's watch the motor spin again from up here when I press the button. One more time from over here on the 22nd, 3, 1, 0. And that is my automatic dog filter.